Hello? Parvati, I heard you're not coming for the kitty party. Last time also you didn't come. Yes, this corona thing is going on, no? First wave, second wave, now they say third wave is also coming, ah. I am so scared, ah. You are a smart woman, ah. Please tell me how to overcome this fear of corona. The only way to deal with it is pushing away all the negative thoughts and thinking positively, and you will see the fear is gone. You are really smart, ah? I will try to implement it from today itself, ah? Yes, remember, no negative thoughts. You should never think like this, that you have got corona, there is no bed available in the hospital, and you are dying because of the shortage of oxygen cylinder. Got it? Yes, why would I think like that, ah? Okay, Parvati, bye. I have to get ready for the kitty party.
Parvati, you're corona positive.
No negative thoughts, huh?
Sorry, no bed available here.
Oxygen! Ayo, what happened, Parvati? Why are you crying, ah? What if I get corona? There is no bed available, ah? And I die because of lack of oxygen cylinder, ah? I am getting all these negative thoughts since morning, ah? Though my friend told me to push away all the negative thoughts, ah? But I am not able to do so. If you think like this, that I will remove all the negative thoughts and have only positive thoughts, it is not going to work, ah? If you try to forcefully remove something out of your mind, it becomes your quality. What? How? Let's watch Sadhguru's video.
People think there is something called as negative thought and positive thought. They want to remove the negative thoughts and have only positive thoughts. But such people, I would ask them to just experiment for 10-15 seconds. Let them forcefully remove one thought from their mind. For example, next 10 seconds, just don't think of a monkey. You will see you will be full of monkeys. So what I'm saying is, this is the nature of your mind, because in this mind, all the three pedals are throttle. There is no brake, there is no clutch. Whatever you touch, it will only go faster. People have been taught from moral teachers and religious teachers, do not think about bad things. Well, since then it's been a full-time job. So there is no way you can handle the mind like this. This doesn't need any great enlightenment. If you spend 2 minutes with your eyes closed, you will realize you cannot do anything forcefully with this mind. So, I want to remove negative thoughts. Do not ever go in this direction, because what you want to remove will become your quality. Always you will be on it. One simplistic aspect of how it functions is, there are no subtractions and divisions in our mind. There is only addition and multiplication. If you try to do something with it, it will say one more. If you try hard, it will multiply into many more. In this mind, you don't try to identify what is positive, what is negative and try to remove it. First of all, one needs to understand this mind of yours, this body of yours is supposed to serve you. Body and mind are vehicles that must serve us. If you sit in a vehicle, it must go where you want to go. If it goes to its own destination, what is the point of such a vehicle? It's just a nuisance. Right now, most human beings are unfortunately experiencing this fantastic possibility of human mind as a nuisance, as a troublesome thing. Well, this is the most beautiful thing you have. It's just that you need to pay little attention as to how it functions. One simple thing is this. First and foremost process is, that's why we put out this process called Isha Kriya. This is to distance yourself from your physiological and psychological process. There is something called as you which exists. This is not a composite of all your thoughts and emotions and physiological processes. Beyond that, there is you. If you close your eyes, even if you cannot see anything, you're still there. It is through the window of your eyes that you're looking out, but if you close your eyes, it doesn't mean that you don't exist. You still exist. So beyond your thought, you still exist. Beyond your emotion, you still exist. So that you, the life that you are, this has to come into your experience.
And you helped me know how to handle these kind of thoughts that I have been struggling for years, So I made your favorite laddus. Aha! Thank you, Parvati. You see, I was also like this earlier, I labeled this thought of going out with you as negative because for eating one plate of pani puri, you take 2 hours to get ready. Now I don't label it as a negative thought, you see. It is just that I don't understand, why to take 2-3 hours to get ready when you look the same even after makeup,
Game over.